Hello, Jay. I'm one of your students in your class. How are you doing today? Hey, I know you. I know you. I'm good. I'm good. What's going on? What is the story here? Today, I noticed that you put a video on how to deploy a Bootstrap Vanilla JS project to Vercel. I saw the video. I mean, that is something that was new to me. I've not thought about deploying my project online. I just assumed that it was something which is complex. I just assumed that it was something that was difficult. I also thought it was something that was not like necessary or something. A lot of students think that way. That is one of the reasons why I thought, today I was thinking, okay, you know what? Many of my students are doing Bootstrap, so it's time they learned how to deploy their projects. So I am glad that video was useful to you, but I feel like you have some questions there. See, that's the thing. That's the thing. So my first question is, why do I have to deploy? I mean, if I'm submitting a project, I usually send the GitHub link, or I just send some screenshot, or I can take a video on WhatsApp or something, and anybody who wants to see my project, they can just see it. Right? I mean, why should I deploy? See, there are a couple of reasons why you want to deploy. The first reason is, see, when you build something, like for example, I'm making this video for you and you're making this video for me. So once this video is ready, we are going to put it on our YouTube channel. We are going to put it on our Instagram channel so that people can see, right? So when you build a project, it doesn't matter how simple of a project it is. You want people to be able to experience it. Right now, when you just have a project folder, when you simply have the code or screenshots or video, now that is like not alive, because that is something you took a photo or a screenshot or a video, so they only see what you saw. But what if they can experience what you have built? Now that can only happen with deployment. So when you are able to deploy your project, not only are you sending the code, you are also sending a live version of the app, which means when you send the code and you also send the link for the deployment, anybody who is curious, it could be your classmates, it could be your coding tutor, it could be, I don't know, a special friend in your life, and she wants to see what you have built. And she may not be a coder, but she can at least see what you have built. Or it could be your mom. Your mom is always looking forward to see what her son is building these days with all these coding things going on. She sees you coding day and night. She sees you with two monitors. She sees you sometimes coding all night. She's very curious. Your mom is curious. What are you up to? So when you deploy and show the deployed version, like you send it, and then your mom might take that link and put it in her WhatsApp. She may send it to her sister or neighbors and things like that. So to me, that is one of the biggest benefit of deploying something. So deploying means, they get to see what I'm building. So that's the plus point. That's, oh, wait a second. I see what you're talking about now. I mean, of course, I want to impress my special friend. I want to impress my mom, definitely. But I just realized, if I'm applying for a job, in the class, you're always saying that before we go to an interview, we should make an impression even before we walk into the interview. So you always say that I should have at least 1 or 2 or 3 projects on GitHub. But now that I'm thinking, what you really mean is I want to have my code on GitHub along with the deployment, so that the people who are checking my resume, even before I walk into the interview, they can see the code, they can see the action, see the code in action on their mobile phone or tablet or computer, which helps them kind of understand how good or bad or mostly good developer that I am. Is that where this is going? Yeah, there you go. That was going to be my second reason why you should deploy. I mean, yes, impressing your mom, the special friend in your life is important, but obviously you're doing all this to get a job. So if your project is deployed, and the good thing is if you, when you saw the video, you'll notice that in the last few minutes I mentioned that it is not just deployment, it's actually continuous deployment, which means as and when you make changes, as and when you make improvements, whoever has the link, they will be able to see your latest code. Now, you know what I tell in the class about projects. What can you tell me what I say about projects? You say that every week we must add something. You always say that. You remind me in every class that whatever project I have on GitHub, it can be one project, it can be two projects, it can be very simple as well. It doesn't matter. But every week or every 2 weeks, I add something new, so that my learning is continuous. And then now with deployment, it's going to be continuous as well. I see you've been listening in my classes. That's my point. So today, when you apply for the job, they may have seen a simple app. But by the time the interview rounds, first round, second round, third round happens, it could be 4 weeks, it could be 6 weeks, or we don't know, it can take a long time. So when they see that you're making changes on a regular basis, they might think, okay, this kid is serious. This guy is a good developer. He's like just learning coding for the first time, but he's making improvements already. So everybody gets to see all the changes that you're making. So there you go. So that is why I tell in my class, when you build a project, make sure it is deployed. There you go. I hope that answers all your questions, my friend. I think that's all I have for now, Jay. Once again, I just want to thank you for answering these questions. It's been very useful. And yeah, I know I can see it's evening over there, so have a good night. You're most welcome. I know these questions, they make it interactive for me as well, and looks like it's evening for you also, so have a good night.